Do you have experience in integrating the process data across a few factories under one profit center?
Yeah, so the tool that we talked about, Clarity, it's an enterprise level tool. So it's designed with cloud infrastructure, which makes it very efficient at mapping across an enterprise. So the answer is yes. We have certain customers who we'd have 40 facilities all on the one platform, and that is obviously the Holy Grail, to be able to benchmark facilities across geographies and different types of facilities. And we can certainly do that.
To add to that, the data coming from the plant can be rolled up into whatever package as far as reporting that you want. We can roll up into monthly averages. We can add calculations for sustainability goals. We can do it for specific equipment KPIs or general plant KPIs. It's the limitations we would have is purely upon what data is available coming in.